In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails by sender in Gmail. Being able to quickly find every email from a specific person can save you a lot of time, especially if you get hundreds of messages every week. Maybe you're looking for a file someone sent you months ago, or you just want to review your communication with a client, a colleague, or a friend. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simplest way to do that using Gmail search bar. First, open Gmail in your web browser or the Gmail app and make sure you're signed into the correct account. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. This is where everything happens. It may look simple, but it's actually very powerful. To search by sender, click or tap into that search bar and start typing the sender's name or their email address. If you remember the exact email address, type that in. For example, you might type something like example@email.com. If you only remember their name, that's fine too. Just type their first name, last name, or both, like John Smith. As you type, Gmail will usually show a list of suggestions underneath the search bar. These suggestions are based on people you've emailed or received emails from before. When you see the correct person in that list, click or tap on their name or address. Gmail will automatically run the search for you. Once you run the search, your inbox view will change to show only the emails that match what you typed. If you use their email address, you'll usually see every conversation where that address appears as the sender. If you only used a name, you might see emails from different people with similar names, so it's a good idea to confirm that the address displayed on each email is the one you're looking for. If your results look too broad or you're not finding what you need, try refining what you type. For example, use the full email address instead of just a first name, or add more details to the name. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. You can repeat this process anytime. Just go back to the search bar, type a different name or email, and view all messages from that sender. Once you're done, clear the search bar to return to your regular inbox view. And that's all there is to it. By simply typing a name or email address into the Gmail search bar, you can instantly pull up all messages from a